The issue I chose to investigate is air pollution, since it is a huge problem of the 21st century. The high-risk environment for the population of Beijing has caused global discussions on counter-pollution actions. Australia is also developing strategies to reduce pollution in order to prevent health risks to life and the environment. I wanted to discover how can air pollution be reversed in order to preserve sustainable living for future generations and the environment in Australia. During the course of the inquiry, I have learnt that in Australia there are strategies in place to continue to develop a sustainable environment from air pollution. Some I was aware of, and some I had never heard of. The most astonishing information I discovered was that Australia is one of the world's largest producers and exporters of coal, according to Lock the Gate article. Furthermore, Australia is responsible for a large amount of air pollution caused by greenhouse gas emissions. Some factors that contribute to air pollution are aerosol cans, petrol gases, deforestation, build-up of rubbish, and overpopulation, just to name a few. I discovered a National Geographic documentary breakthrough that discusses different avenues of innovation and eco-friendly energy-saving resources. Some of the main contributing global advancements for a sustainable future are fusion ignition, salt power, solar power, renewable energy, and geothermal energy. It is important to understand the magnitude of significance air pollution has on developing a sustainable environment. Romain Lacombe discusses in his lecture Global Pandemic Air Pollution, more people are dying every year from breathing air than the number of smokers. This is astonishing, as dangers of smoking are advertised widely, comparing to such a lack of awareness to the dangers of air pollution. The Australian government is active for improvement and has established the introduction of three-way catalytic converters in new vehicles since 1986. These significant efforts have proven to strengthen energy efficiency and control air pollution comparing to other Western countries. The Australian government developed the National Environment Protection Council in 1998 to measure the national air quality and control the contributing factors of these standards. Australia established coal seam gas stations in 1996 and now spans across the country. Coal seam gas is also known as geothermal energy, which extracts methane gas from the coal seal beneath the Earth's surface. Concerns over the chemical mixture used to create this unnatural pressure-forcing gas release are discussed by Liz Hayes of 60 Minutes and Queensland Communities on distinct gas smells coming from the wells and controversy of poisoning water sources. In support of these health concerns, the news article CSG in Australia states water supply can be affected if the holes drilled into the ground are not properly sealed. Community health conditions across the globe which are exposed to coal seam gas wells are showing significantly similar symptoms. If nothing else, this inquiry shows people to make changes for a better air quality. The Environmental Justice Australia are asking for people to sign petitions in support of implementing national standards of regulation to maintain and control the effect of coal seam gas development to preserve the health and well-being of all living things in these communities. Through developing awareness to the health risks of innovative energy sources taking place in Australia will inevitably create a stronger, sustainable future. People need to be educated on the different ways they can make significant changes to improving their air quality. Changes can be as simple as recycling, planting trees, choosing energy-saving consumer products, and making energy-smarter choices, and most significantly, to educate others so we can preserve the natural beauty of Australia for the future generations to come.